If you love grilling but absolutely hate cleaning the grill afterward, I found something that makes that dreaded job so much easier. You know that stuck-on burnt food that seems determined to become part of your grill? Instead of standing there scrubbing and scrubbing, this is an electric cordless grill cleaner that does a lot of the work for you. This is the Misshappy electric BBQ grill brush, and it has been designed specifically to make grill cleanup faster and easier. It has 2 speeds with up to 800 RPM and delivers up to 13 kilograms of torque, so you can put some pressure on those stubborn areas without feeling like you're fighting with the brush. And I really like the ergonomic handle because traditional grill brushes can get uncomfortable when you're scrubbing for a while. But here's one of my favorite features, the built-in serrated scraper. You can use it to attack those really stubborn, stuck-on spots, and the serrated edges are designed to reach into the gaps and corners of your grill grates where grime likes to hide. It also has an anti-stall function, so when you apply pressure, it's designed to maintain its power instead of suddenly stopping. And because it's cordless, you're not dragging an extension cord around your patio or trying to stay right next to an outlet. It has a rechargeable battery, so you can charge it up and take it wherever you need it. Plus, you've got an LED light and LED display, which are really handy when you're cleaning those darker areas or checking your settings. And it comes with interchangeable brush heads, making it versatile for different outdoor grill surfaces, including porcelain, cast iron, and stainless steel. For me, the biggest benefit is simple: less time fighting with a dirty grill and more time actually enjoying the food and the people you're grilling for. Because let's face it, the cooking is the fun part. The cleanup, not so much. If you've been putting off cleaning your grill because you dread all that scrubbing, this is an easy decision.